Welcome to Trade with Touseef, your trusted place to learn real, practical, and successful trading. In today's fast-growing financial world, thousands of people want to enter trading, but most do not know where to start. Some are confused about Forex, some struggle with basic concepts, and many fall into the trap of shortcuts or unreliable sources. At Trade with Touseef, our goal is simple: to guide you step by step, from beginner level to confident trader, with methods that actually work in the real market. We believe that trading is not gambling, not guesswork, and definitely not luck. Trading is a skill, a science, and a mindset. And just like any other skill, you can master it with the right guidance, the right strategy, and the right support system. That is why we have designed our platform to help you understand the market deeply, from basic terminology to advanced strategies, in a clean, easy, and practical way. Whether you are a complete beginner or someone who has already tried trading, but did not get the results you wanted, we are here to train you with a proven, structured approach. You will learn how the Forex market works, why currency pairs move, how news impacts prices, and how traders identify opportunities through technical and fundamental analysis. We don't just give signals, we teach you how to create your own signals through knowledge and experience. Our training includes everything you need: basic to advanced Forex concepts, candlestick understanding, market structure, trend and reversals, risk management and money management, entry and exit planning, successful trading methods, live examples and practical demonstrations. We also focus heavily on discipline, psychology, and risk control, because even the best strategy fails if the mindset is not right. That's why we teach not only how to trade, but how to think like a trader. If you are someone who truly wants to learn Forex, understand the basics, or gain proper knowledge before investing your money, then Trade with Touseef is the right place for you. We don't promise unrealistic profits. We promise real education that can help you grow step by step. So if you want to start your trading journey with confidence, if you want to learn powerful and effective trading methods, or if you simply want to understand how Forex works, then feel free to contact us anytime. We are here to guide you, support you, and help you become a successful and disciplined trader. Join us today. Let's learn, grow, and trade the right way. Welcome to Trade with Touseef.